I always start my day by hopping into a good shower. I use Snake's classic shower gel. May camphor and menthol siya kaya sobrang lamig sa katawan, as in. Perfecto lalo na pag mainit. By 2 p.m. papunta na ako sa boxing training malapit sa house namin. For me, importante na laging physically active, mapa-gym workout man o ibang activity. Lagi ko dala tong Snake Cooling Mist, literal aircon in a bottle. Nakaka-fresh ng feeling after a sweaty workout. After my workout session, I always eat quality food to stay healthy and fit. At syempre magsispray ulit ng Snake Cooling Mist para ako may aircon na kasama. Since buong araw ko hindi nakasama si Athena, nag-promise ako sa kanya na bibigyan ko siya ng ice cream. It makes me the happiest when she's happy. Dami kong ginawa today pero hindi talaga ako nalagit. As in fresh pa rin feeling ko.
Go for ice cream.
Welcome, kiss. Thanks to Snake